Today I'll be explaining how to multiply using partial products.
Huh?
Partial products.
What?
Let me break it down for you. Using partial products is a way to solve a multiplication problem. Partial means a part of, and the product is the answer to a multiplication problem. Partial products are the small bits of multiplication we add together to get the final answer. Let's look at the problem 512 times 24. When we solve using partial products, it looks a lot like the standard algorithm. As a matter of fact, overall it's very similar. It's really just an expanded version. When we are multiplying using partial products, we always need to remember that we aren't just multiplying by each digit, but by the value of that digit. I'll do the two methods side by side so you can see how they relate to each other. We'll start by multiplying 4 times 2, which equals 8. We write that underneath. Over here on the standard method, we start the exact same way. Then we have 4 times 1, but since the 1 is in the tens place, we are really multiplying 4 times 10, which is 40. I write 40 below. On the standard method, I also multiply 4 times 1 and write 4 in the tens place next to the 8. Notice though that since it is in the tens place, what I've really put down is 40. Next, we multiply 4 times 5, but since the 5 is in the hundreds place, we are really multiplying 4 times 500, which is 2,000. We write 2,000 below. Here on the standard method, we multiply 4 times 5 to get 20, though as you can see, what we've actually written is 2,000. When I add the partial products I've done so far, I get 2,048, which is the same as the first partial product in the standard method. Now it's time to multiply each digit by the 2. In the partial products method, though, we remember that because the 2 is in the tens place, its value is 20. So we multiply 20 times 2 for an answer of 40. Over here, we also must remember that the value of the 2 is 20. So we place a 0 in the ones place and see the same answer. 20 times 10 equals 200, which we see here. And 20 times 500 is 10,000, which we see the same thing here. When we add the second set of partial products together, we get 10,240, which matches the second partial product in the standard method. In both cases, the last step is to add the partial products together for an answer of 12,288. This method is great for students who are working to grasp the concept of place values and helps them to understand how each digit functions within a multiplication problem. In this expanded form, we can more easily see where each number comes from.
Hopefully that makes more sense now. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.